Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here. Are you ready for another episode? I have to tell you, we had so much fun filming this series. And remember that that this whole series, the reason why we went to Texas is to promote the Char Griller Texas Trio. If nobody finds me on the tour and I get back to the studio, we're going to give away another Texas Trio grill. So be watching all the series. And as soon as it's over, nobody found me, I'll be giving away another one. I'll tell you how to enter to win, okay? Char Griller, thank you for sponsoring the tour. Now it's time to get into San Antonio, Texas. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right. Well, look at that. Oh, that's their portable, dude. They take it around.
Really?
Yeah, it's got a window on it. Hey guys, is this like the old one? That's the new one?
No, actually, this one was the one that we were using for the bar.
Oh, really?
Oh, you're part of the pig pen too?
Yeah, we also own the pig pen.
Cool. I bet they got good wings.
Yeah, they do.
And you own what?
Yeah, we just purchased this.
That wall?
Building right here.
No, the building.
What is it?
The
used to be a
cricket.
Oh, the phone.
Yeah.
I could have parked in front of there. I told you, dude.
Could have, yeah, I know.
It's all your fault.
It is. It's the cricket. They're gonna make it into a deli.
Oh, can I ask you guys? So, are you the owners?
No.
You just work here?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I ask you questions about the place?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So we came here to try it out,
Okay.
and we're just wondering, like, how it got started, how long you've been here, a little history,
Actually, so it got started in this food trailer right here back in 2010.
right?
And this food trailer still goes to the same location. It's off of Nacogdoches and 410 since 2010, and pretty much they made their way. And in 2013, they had enough money, and they ended up purchasing this this building and making the restaurant. And in 2015, we bought this, renovated it, and turned it into the Pigpen Bar.
Nice.
Yeah.
So how much meat you guys move? Just curious, roughly, like briskets or
Brisket daily, anywhere from I want to say 30 to 50 briskets a day.
wow,
It's
dude, that's shed material.
yeah, 50 and up on the weekends.
How about pulled pork? You guys do pulled pork?
Yeah, of course. Pulled
Of course. Yeah, of course. Go tell Franklin's.
pork. Yeah.
Yeah, we just filmed there.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome.
They only had 3 pulled porks they made. Today. We were number 50 in line. They told us you're probably not going to get pulled pork when you get in there.
That's bullshit.
I made more than, yeah. Meh. We need to censor that. Literally, I'm like, I made 16 for my church. You only made 3 for a day of business.
Yeah, we normally do like maybe 24, 30.
24 to 30 pulled porks?
Yeah.
That's nice. So where's the entrance? How do we get in?
Actually, so the entrance would just be right around this that door right there. There's a door off in the corner, and just go ahead and.
And lastly, I'm sorry. I'm
Yes, sir.
so rude. You've been so kind to us. What is your name?
My name is Gilbert Flotis.
Gilbert Flotis. It's a pleasure to meet you, Gilbert.
Mitch.
Yes, sir.
To meet you.
Likewise.
Thanks,
What's
man.
And I hope y'all enjoy
thing?
y'all's food.
What's your favorite?
Me, well, we're known for our brisket. Pulled pork is just as good. Me personally, I really enjoy our ribs. Comes with a nice
You
sweet
cut by
glaze.
the pound, like what we want. You weigh it.
As far as the other meats, yes. Ribs, you could buy a whole rack. It's like with taxes and all, maybe $25.98. Half rack with 6 ribs, $12.99, and then you could buy 2 individual ribs for $2 a piece.
Okay, so they got everything here. They do beef everything. You heard them. And there's no wait. I'm liking this place already. Smoke Shack. All right, so here's where you order right here. And they got seats here like a bar. Kind of cool. I guess that's to-go orders maybe. Okay, so there it is, guys, right there. Pulled pork, $8. Oh, those sandwiches, right. We got the coleslaw.
Yeah.
You want to start with sides or we go to meat?
Let's go to the sides.
That mash looks kind of good.
It does. It's got meat in it.
Doesn't? Yeah, it's got meat in it. Like it has meat in it. We're all for that.
That's
and
the
that
potato
sounds
salad.
interesting. It's like a scoop. It's like there's so much going on in that. I want you to start with potato salad. Oh, you too?
Yeah. All
All
right.
right, go ahead. We're starting with potato salad here.
Oh wow, look at that.
It's like whipped almost. Oh no, there's pieces in it. That's cool.
There we go. Good, dude.
Is it?
This is
A lot going on in there, huh?
a lot happening in that cup right there.
Wow. So you know that's like a homemade recipe.
Let's do the mac and cheese.
All right, mac and cheese looks beautiful. Dude, look at you grabbing all the meat. Thanks for leaving me something.
You can have that.
Okay, you before it even settled in. That
As soon as it hit.
What do you think?
Good.
Oh, you got a review on that? Okay.
We'll talk about that after.
All right, and then we're doing coleslaw.
I want that cabbage.
It looks a little dry.
A bit. The vinegar is why.
Oh, vinegar based. Okay, there you go.
Crunchy.
All right, so that was the sides. Let's
Yep.
show you the meat now.
You can do the meat.
Got the pulled pork. Yeah, all right, that's cool.
Yeah.
And then we'll talk about outside. Got the pulled pork right
Yep.
there. The ribs. How many ribs do we get? Oh, nice. 3. Looking beautiful there. I got to take pictures. Nice ribs. Nice pulled pork. We got chicken right there. There's the brisket. Look at the brisket.
Yep.
That's beautiful. We're going to rip this off. Okay. That's cold right there. It's cold.
Good.
It's not warm. All right, but we're going to try it anyway. It looks really good though, but yeah, it's not a warm temperature at all. That one right here, look at that.
Yep.
Isn't that beautiful? Look at the heat. That's warm, unlike the chicken.
You did like the chicken?
Very much so.
Okay, good. All right.
If it was warm, it would have been flawless.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh wow.
Right to the bone.
It's got a different sweet to it. It's really good. It's lip tender. Should we do it again?
Try it.
All right, lip tender. Here we go.
Yep.
Look at that. With my lip, no teeth.
Come on. Yeah, it's nice.
Wow. All right, here we go. Hold on, ready?
Yep. There it goes. Okay.
Hold on. I'm gonna try the brisket right. I mean the pulled pork right now.
Okay.
Oh, that bite is much more moist.
Okay. Yeah, you can see it.
Man, that's all day. That's all day pulled pork right there. And now look at that.
That looks nice.
That looks amazing.
That's like
I'll be shocked if it's not good.
Yeah.
But I will be shocked if it tastes just like the rib outside. I mean, look at this. Look.
Oh, I see it.
Look at this. I can't even.
looks
It's
awesome.
just.
It's falling apart.
Look at that. That's marbled. You can get lean if you got to order marbled. That's just gorgeous.
I'm gonna do this pulled pork.
Right now?
Yeah.
All right, go
try
ahead. Get a good bunch. No, big cheater.
Well, I saw what you did. I didn't need to have a mouthful.
All
I'm
right.
good.
Cool.
All right. I'm gonna do the
Oh,
the
dude,
brisket.
there's all the flavor right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit this.
That's kind of like a burn in almost.
Look at that.
Look at that is gorgeous. It's like an accordion. That's what it is. That's a home run.
So good.
That's really good, huh? I think I get most excited with the ribs on this
Yeah,
tour.
these things look delicious. They really do.
Yeah. You don't have to use your lips. You can use your teeth. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Is it the same?
No.
It's not.
Well, it's because I had so much on that brisket on the outside of
You
that.
can really get a good difference.
This was more burnt flavor. This one.
Right.
This is a sweeter taste
Yes,
on
it
this
is.
rib, but I'm wondering on this piece of the brisket, like you ate, if it was
Go ahead, break
similar.
up a piece and try it right now. I felt they were so similar.
Come on.
Okay, we just complimented you, dude. The outer bark doesn't break as easy, of course.
All right, let's try
All right,
this.
try that.
It is the same.
It is the same.
That
All
is
right.
the same.
I thought so.
Absolutely.
Okay.
But it's really good.
All right, awesome. So we'll talk more outside.
Yeah.
Because it would have got a 10 from me. And now it's
Look at
gonna
the
get.
meat though, how nice it looks.
It's beautiful, dude. The meat is flawless, and they serve it cold. That's a bummer. Oh well. That's why we go anonymously.
Ready?
This was a weird place because it was like unknown to me, never heard of it, nobody recommended it. It was highly rated on the internet, that's why we went there, we added it in. But I gotta tell you, the sides, I didn't like any of the sides. The mac and cheese, the macaroni was cooked perfect. In fact, it was probably the best cooked macaroni that we've had on the tour. But the meat was there was too much meat. I can't even believe I'm saying that. Too much meat in the mac and cheese. The cheese was tacky, but not creamy cheese. You want a thick, creamy cheese for mac and cheese. It just wasn't good. The vinegar I loved in the coleslaw, but there was something else that was just gross. And then the potato salad, that's not potato salad. I don't know what that is. If you saw the recipe of how they make it, I guarantee it has a potato base, but it's not potato salad. So it tasted like something completely different. The pulled pork was nasty dry, really bad. The ribs were really amazing, really good. The brisket and ribs were their best. You got to get those. And what was the other one? Oh, the chicken. Cold? Really? Cold? It was hotter in the restaurant. They could have left it out on the counter. It would have been warmer than what they served us. So saying all that, ironically, you ready for this? They didn't get a really high score from us, but I would go back to that place before I go back to Franklin's Barbecue.
Okay, guys, so just left the Smoke Shack. I thought it was actually really good. It was solid all the way across the board. I just started out with the sides, the ones I actually started with. My favorite one out of the three was the coleslaw. It had a little vinegar taste, crunchy. It was good. The rest of them, not so good. Too much meat in the other one. The mac and cheese, couldn't taste anything else other than the meat. When it got into the meats, I did really like the brisket. Had a honey type of a bark to it. It was delicious. The rib was fantastic. The chicken would have been absolutely flawless. I had to ding it on that one, but it came out just freezing cold. You guys saw it. So anyway, I don't care how great the chicken is. If you serve that stuff like freezing, I don't care. It's done. Other than that, what was the last? The pulled pork. Just forget the pulled pork. You guys saw the video. I mean, Jack ate his napkin. So enough said about that. Other than that, though, guys, it was a great place. I thought it was really good. So see you on the next one.